best thing about foundation is when you buy a foundation that is your exact skin color, not one shade lighter or one shade darker, your exact skin color, because your foundation should be something that you can wear and go out. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oge, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys on the steps you need to take to achieve a flawless looking foundation application. Many people rush into applying foundation on their bare skin without preparing for what the foundation. You know how when you want to build a house and lay foundation, you have to mix cement and granites and chippings and the rest of them. You also have to dig the foundation and measure and all of that before you go into the foundation proper. So how do you clean your skin? You can use a cleanser to cleanse your skin. There's so many affordable cleansers in Nigeria that you can purchase. You have Clean and Clear, you have simple products in your favorite beauty store like Casabella, you have Mamatega Cosmetics, you can get all of this. Then you can buy Neutrogena. Neutrogena cleanser is like 3,000 to 4,000 depending on the retail store. After cleansing your skin, you need to apply moisturizer. Importance of a moisturizer cannot be overemphasized. One, it does two very important things for your skin. One, it actually helps smooth things out your skin surface for foundation application, which will also help your foundation application seem flawless, and also it serves as a primer. For instance, I use the Mismetics Moisture Potion. This is what it looks like. It's a Nigerian brand and this retails for 3,500. Moisturizing your skin also helps keep your skin hydrated before makeup application. You do not want to apply foundation on a dry looking skin because of you do not want to look ashy. I'm going to apply moisturizers all over my face, especially around my T-zones, because my T-zones are areas where I break out in sweat the most. So after applying your moisturizer, you have to wait for like 5 minutes. After applying that into your skin, wait for like 5 minutes before going in with your foundation. But for me, I like to, after applying my moisturizer, I like to also go in with a primer, because I like my makeup actually lasting for a very long time. Now, the purpose of a makeup primer is to ensure that your makeup lasts long. Primer also serves as a base for your makeup. Actually helps, especially if you have like very oily skin or combination skin. You need to use a primer so you don't break out, because whether we like it or not, a lot of makeup products have oil in them. Even the so-called matte products, they still have a bit of oil in them, and except you have like a really dry skin, you need to apply primer. So guys, for my primer, I'm using my Pond's Vanishing Cream, and you're going to see the difference a primer adds to your face when you are like it automatically dries up your face without making it ashy. It just leaves it hydrated but dry enough for your foundation application. So I'm going to apply this all over my face too, especially around my T-zones. So I'm done with that, and you can see the difference, how all of a sudden the shine that is on my face is no longer there. My skin looks ready to receive the foundation. I said all. My skin looks ready. My eyes are itching me. I don't know why my eyes are itching me. So Next step after applying your face primer is to color correct. It's not absolutely necessary, but if you're someone with hyperpigmentation, and with hyperpigmentation I mean if you have a face like this picture above, just you have to color correct, especially if you're dark skinned. Your dark scarrings that are caused due to reoccurring acne can be like a stumbling block for your concealer or foundation application, so you may want to color correct, especially if your foundation is not a full coverage foundation. Now if you're dark skinned, I usually advise that you use like an orange corrector, and one of my highly recommended correctors is the Elegant Pro Orange Corrector, and you can use it to cover scars like this one on my face. And then I noticed like a lot of African women have like this dark thin, sometimes it's because of a mustache around their lips, and you can color correct if you choose to. It's not necessary. And then if you're very light skinned, very fair, and due to hyperpigmentation you have like a lot of dark and red scarrings, especially if you have red scarrings, you use like the green corrector from Elegant Pro or any other brand that you prefer to use to color correct like scars like this one. And the reason why you do this is because you do not want to go in with your foundation over and over and over again and then have like a thick layer of foundation on your face and making your face feel heavy. You can just color correct, and which will help your foundation application look full coverage, especially if your foundation is not full coverage. I know I said that before, but I just had to reiterate in case you did not hear me the first time. So now that you're done with color correcting, the next step is to apply your foundation. Now, like I said earlier at the beginning of this video, your foundation should be, when shopping for foundation, you should also consider the type of skin that you have. For example, if I have like a very dry skin, I wouldn't go for this Vessi Goldsmith matte foundation, because I've used this foundation, and this is not my shade, but I use that on clients, and I can tell you that foundations like this that are very matte is not for dry skin. Now on oily skin is going to do wonders, because it's going to make your foundation application look flawless and glowy. And my favorite thing about this foundation is the yellow undertone. Like there's this glow it gives you when you use it. So what I use this for sometimes is for my highlighting, especially if I want to do the intense highlighting. I usually use this, and this product you have to blend it quickly, so I do not recommend it for beginners. If you're someone that you're just learning how to apply makeup, you don't want to go for like a very matte foundation, because if you do not know how to apply foundation, if you don't know how to blend foundation, matte foundations are going to be like a problem for you in the beginning stage. Now you can also use a stick foundation like this Black Opal stick foundation and apply. You can go for a Maybelline Fit Me foundations. All of these foundations are within the 4K, 5K, 6K range. And Zaron also has like a foundation, Tara has foundation, Jordana has foundation, Kiss Beauty, Kel Cosmetics, like a whole lot of foundations that you can find for under 6,000 naira in Nigeria, and they're very quality products. And I think Jordana foundation is very good for, and the price they're offering, you can get Jordana foundation for like 2,000 naira in Nigeria. That is less than $5. So now the key to a flawless foundation is to have your, or buy your exact foundation shade. Now you see this, this is too light for me. How do I know it's too light? It's because it's there. It doesn't blend in with my skin tone. And the thing about foundation is it has to be your exact, oh god, see? Foundation has to be like your exact skin tone shade. So that is my Vessi Goldsmith swatch. I'm going to do a swatch of my Maybelline Fit Me foundation so you see the difference. Can you see that? Can you see this? Like, it is my exact skin tone shade, and this is Maybelline foundation, Fit Me matte foundation in 360 mocha. It is my exact shade. Now, you see that they are very close in color. This is my Early Girl concealer, but it can actually serve the purpose. I'm trying to see how this one is too dark for me. You see how it has like this brown and red and orangey undertone? That's to show you that it is too dark for me. Now this one is my exact skin tone shade because it's just there. It blends into my skin seamlessly, and you should actually make sure that when you're buying foundation, they swatch it on your skin and make sure that it is your exact shade. Now I know that certain beauty stores, when you go there, they have like this ring light, and then they have this lighting that makes you feel like every foundation shade you apply on your skin is your shade. Now the trick to making sure you can actually take a little time to walk outside of the store to natural light and then use a mirror to see actually matches. This is too light, this is too dark. Now this is my exact skin shade. I'm going to go ahead and wipe that out. And I'm going to go ahead to apply my foundation, and I'm using my Zoeva brush in 103, this one here, and I'm going to go ahead to apply this foundation all over my skin, and I'm using a very light amount because please ignore any sound you're hearing. My neighbor is having like construction going on. I don't know what they're hitting. You see how I am applying the foundation? I am not swiping, I'm not doing any of that, because when you do this, you just shift the foundation from your skin and it's just like all over the place, it's looking tacky. But when you dab the foundation into your skin, you're actually applying it properly. The way to apply your foundation is to dab it into your skin tone and not swipe. So guys, that is it for today. I hope this tutorial actually helps improve your foundation technique. Also, do not forget to give this video like a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe, and you can do that by clicking on that subscription button below. So until next time, bye.